I hope people realize that, like, yeah, of course, like, go out there and create success, and that will help. But if you can take the lessons that we learned and implement them earlier into knowing that, like, you are 100%, you value yourself now, that you don't have to prove anything to anyone, just better yourself right now. Like, it's only a matter of time before those achievements really get unlocked.
I always say, like, small incremental progress every single day adds up over years, you know what I mean? So as long as you do like one small thing to better yourself mentally, physically, like whatever it is, just every single day, you know, time's gonna go by. So 5 years goes by, like all that stuff adds up.
It does.
You know, and like that's kind of been the pillar of at least all my successes, just small improvements. Because I get overwhelmed easily, and like if there's too much going on and I'm like trying to make these like big leaps and do all these things, it just doesn't work, you know?
Yeah, it never does. How are you consistently elevating your game and learning new tricks and learning new techniques?
YouTube tutorials still. It's like the best free resource ever. Reading a lot. More so now, just books, bro. I mean, like everybody's like, whatever you're trying to do in your life or any like thing you're going through mentally, like someone's probably written a book about it, and all you got to do is just learn and understand.
So true.
That's it. Like everything's accessible. So
it's crazy.
It's just the will to want to know how to do it.
Yeah, like I love to snowboard. I grew up on BMX. I was a skater growing up. Like skydive, you know, like I love all of that stuff.
Yeah.
I don't think I can do it as well as you guys. Like those cliffs, some of those cliffs, like we got to cut to some of these cliff jumps, man.
So it's a big day, finished. Episode 1, baby. Komo, Mr. Matt here, came out, helped big time. He shot a bunch of Ronin stuff, he shot a bunch of drone stuff, and he's been jumping at the bit to jump off this cliff.
Damn, this is like a perfect setup. Yo, you gotta clear this.
To the top of the waterfall. How tall do you think this is? 40? Check this out. It's gonna be sick.
Watch me go so I